This past weekend, the Faculty of Engineering at the Northwest University hosted an exciting Engineering Fun Day for high school learners. The learners took part in a variety of hands-on activities, showcasing different engineering disciplines.
Hi, my name is Carla. I'm a junior lecturer at Industrial Engineering here at the Northwest University, and today we are here at the Engineering Fun Day, where we have a bunch of learners all across our high school spectrum that come here to experience what engineering is. Here at Industrial Engineering site specifically, you will see some people running around. They are learning about supply chain, other industrial engineering things such as facility layout, how to work with different teams as well. So we really hope that they learn about industrial engineering, but also about engineering as well, and to inspire them to go out and study engineering and then change the world for the better.
Yo, what's up? My name is Desmond and this is Sean. And we are about to present our makeshift plane that's gonna break sound barriers like nobody's ever seen before. Ready?
Past 500 meters.
The future engineers shaping tomorrow's world may one day call this place home. The Northwest University. It all starts here.